You're listening to the Bare Metal Cyber Prepcast, created to help you succeed in your IT fundamentals certification journey. Learn more at baremetalcyber.com, where additional prepcasts, books, and training materials await. Let's get started. In this episode, we will explore the collaboration software tools that enable effective communication and teamwork. These tools are essential in both professional and academic environments, and they form a core part of the IT Fundamentals Plus exam. Collaboration software includes tools for sending messages, hosting virtual meetings, and sharing documents with others. In this episode, we will focus on three key categories: email, conferencing platforms, and file sharing solutions. You will learn to recognize each tool type and match it to its purpose skills that are essential for success on the exam. This topic appears in Domain 3 of the IT Fundamentals Plus exam under Collaboration and Productivity Software. Exam questions may present you with scenarios where a team needs to communicate, hold a remote meeting, or collaborate on shared documents. Your task will be to identify the correct tool or describe its core function. You will not be asked to configure settings, troubleshoot connectivity, or manage accounts. The emphasis is entirely on recognizing definitions, understanding examples, and matching tools to common communication tasks. Collaboration tools are software applications that help people communicate, share information, and work together in real time or over extended periods. These tools support both synchronous interaction, like video meetings, and asynchronous communication, like email. They are used widely in offices, classrooms, and project teams to coordinate efforts and stay aligned on goals. The exam focuses on your ability to identify and describe how these tools support communication and teamwork. Email remains one of the most commonly used collaboration tools. It allows users to send and receive messages that can include text, images, documents, and links. Emails can be directed to single individuals or multiple recipients using features like carbon copy, blind carbon copy, or mailing lists. Email tools also provide address books or contact lists for quick selection of recipients. Examples of email applications include Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, and Yahoo Mail. Basic features of email software include the inbox, where received messages are stored, the sent folder, which tracks messages that have been delivered, and the trash or deleted items folder. Users can create subject lines to summarize the message, type the content in the message body, and attach files or add hyperlinks. Some platforms offer organization tools like labels or folders, which help manage conversations efficiently. These are often mentioned in exam questions related to common communication methods. Conferencing tools support real-time communication through video and audio connections. These platforms allow people in different locations to meet virtually using internet-connected devices. Conferencing tools often include additional features such as chat, screen sharing, recording, and breakout rooms. Examples of popular conferencing tools include Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. These tools are critical for hosting remote meetings, training sessions, and virtual events. Common features of conferencing platforms include the ability to schedule meetings, send invitations, and manage participants. Meeting hosts can mute attendees, control camera settings, and allow screen sharing. Some platforms support raising hands, polling, and other engagement tools. Chat sidebars let participants send messages during the session without interrupting the speaker. Understanding these features will help you correctly identify conferencing tools in exam scenarios. File sharing is another essential function in collaboration. It involves giving others access to digital files, either locally or through cloud services. File sharing allows users to upload, view, download, and collaborate on documents without the need to physically transfer devices. Sharing can occur over a local network or via internet-based platforms that support remote access. This function is especially useful for distributed teams and collaborative projects. File sharing platforms often combine storage with sharing permissions and version control. Examples include Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. These services allow users to share individual files or entire folders and to assign roles like viewer, commenter, or editor. Some platforms keep a history of changes made to documents, enabling teams to track updates and restore earlier versions if needed. File sharing tools are frequently referenced in IT Fundamentals Plus exam questions about document access and collaboration. Security is an important aspect of using collaboration tools. Many platforms require users to log in with a secure password and may support multi-factor authentication for added protection. Access controls let administrators or file owners limit who can view or modify content. Meeting security settings can prevent unauthorized participants from joining or recording. While you will not configure these settings for the exam, you should be aware of their purpose and relevance when identifying safe collaboration practices. Document co-editing is a powerful feature found in many cloud-based collaboration platforms. This function allows multiple users to work on the same document at the same time. Changes are saved in real time, and all contributors can see updates as they happen. This improves efficiency, reduces version conflicts, and supports better coordination across teams. Co-editing features are especially common in Office suites like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Many collaboration platforms include built-in messaging tools that allow users to send quick messages within the same interface. These messaging features support direct messages between two users as well as group chats for teams. They are often integrated with presence indicators that show whether a user is online, away, busy, or offline. Keeping communication within a single interface reduces the need to switch between applications and helps teams stay coordinated in real time. Presence and status indicators are visual signals that display a user's availability. They are commonly represented by icons or color-coded labels. For example, a green dot might indicate that someone is online, while a red symbol means they are busy. These indicators help team members know whether someone is available for a meeting, ready to respond to messages, or temporarily away from their computer. Presence indicators are often used in messaging and conferencing tools and may appear in exam scenarios about user coordination. Many modern collaboration tools integrate multiple functions into one application. This means that email, messaging, file sharing, and video conferencing can all be accessed through a single platform. Examples include Microsoft Teams and Google Workspace, which allow users to communicate, schedule meetings, share documents, and co-edit files without switching between different tools. This type of integration simplifies workflows and enhances productivity by keeping all collaboration features in one place. Cloud storage plays a major role in supporting collaboration. It allows documents to be stored in a central location and accessed by authorized users from anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud-based folders can be synchronized with desktop apps so that changes made offline are uploaded automatically. This ensures that team members always have access to the most current version of a document. Cloud storage services like OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive are essential to modern teamwork. Within shared collaboration tools, user roles and permissions control what different people can do. Some users may be owners of a file or folder, meaning they can invite others, change settings, or delete content. Editors can modify documents, while viewers can only read them. Similar roles exist in meetings, where a host controls the session and participants follow along. These permission levels help manage collaboration securely and effectively. The exam may ask you to recognize or match these roles to their descriptions. On the IT Fundamentals Plus exam, you may see several question types related to collaboration tools. One question might ask you to identify which tool supports video conferencing, while another might describe a scenario involving file sharing. You may also be presented with screenshots or descriptions of interface features such as chat boxes or screen sharing buttons and asked what they are used for. Recognizing the correct tool and its purpose is the goal in each case. There are several important terms you should be familiar with for this topic. These include email, video conferencing, screen sharing, and file sharing. Additional terms include cloud storage, messaging, and chat. Others to know are presence, which refers to user availability, and permission, which controls access levels. These terms may appear directly in questions or be part of multiple choice options. Being able to recall and define them quickly will help you answer accurately and confidently. It is equally important to understand what is not covered on the exam. You will not be asked to set up accounts, troubleshoot network issues, or manage system settings. The exam does not include advanced features such as calendar syncing, user provisioning, or meeting templates. All questions focus on high-level recognition, use case matching, and understanding of basic collaboration features. Knowing what to expect allows you to focus your study time effectively. Collaboration tools are a key part of basic IT literacy. They are used daily in business environments, remote education, and even personal projects. Understanding these tools helps you support users, identify appropriate solutions for communication tasks, and contribute to a productive digital workplace. Because collaboration tools appear across many certification exams, starting with IT Fundamentals Plus gives you a strong foundation for success in more advanced certifications and job roles. To summarize this episode, collaboration software includes tools for email, video conferencing, file sharing, and messaging. These applications support team productivity by enabling real-time communication and document sharing. The IT Fundamentals Plus exam focuses on identifying what each tool does, not how to configure it. Mastery of this topic includes recognizing features, naming tools, and matching them to collaboration scenarios to ensure strong performance in Domain 3 of the exam. Thanks for tuning in to the Bare Metal Cyber Prepcast, your trusted source for cybersecurity news and insights. Remember to subscribe at baremetalcyber.com so you never miss an update. And visit cyberauthor.me for best-selling cybersecurity books that equip you with expert knowledge. Until next time, stay secure and stay vigilant.